Now I'm going to move on to level 2, an intermediate variation of cramp rolls. So the first thing that's important is for them to recognize the new pattern. So the new pattern that we're going to do is 2, 2, 1. So I'm asking for a double cramp roll, 2 of them, before moving on to a single cramp roll. For intermediates to start, you can do them all with normal forward cramp rolls. So again, a double cramp roll is you're going to double the balls of the feet. So number 2 is, there's 4 balls instead of just ball, ball, heel, heel. So a double cramp roll again is double, here. Now the pattern is going to be 2, 2, 1. Double, double cramp roll, double, double cramp roll, single. On the right, it's going to sound like this. And then I'm going to allow my feet to move out and then come back in, repeating the exact same pattern. Coming back in with my feet will be double, double, single, double cramp roll, single. That whole pattern of double, double, single, double, double, single will sound like this. And then you can also repeat that. You can do it again. You can also set them up to do it onto the left side, which my last cramp roll, I would just syncopate the sounds, do them all together instead of alternating my feet. So for the last one, I would go so that I can pick up my left foot and go to the other side. Again, with the left, that whole pattern would be so I can pick up the right foot and go again. Once your students have a good grasp of that, you should try and have them reverse the whole exercise. Now, I don't mean reverse the pattern, I mean reverse the step, going from a normal cramp roll to a reverse cramp roll, which is going to start with the heels of the feet. Now, the pattern will stay the same, the move is just in reverse. So we're still going to do double, double, single, right and left. That'll look like this. With reverse cramp rolls, this is the pattern of 2, 2, 1. Single, left, and the whole thing, right and left, with both forward and reverse for level 2, goes like this. Reverse. Left. Reverse. And that would be the cramp rolls for level 2.